inside the office, I might repeat and miss some words. I had a very good experience here since the first day that I came, from theoretical knowledge and today practical knowledge of how to install PV system. As we are running to the energy transition for green energies, PV systems are very important because they are part of renewable energy. I knew about how to install grid system, off-grid system, and how to connect all devices in PV system. Thank you very much for the team. Thank you very much for my colleagues. From today, we designed a very strong network. I didn't understand everything. As long as I'm here, connected to the company, connected to colleagues. Any question, I'll come to sir. Please, how to connect this? Then he'll be available to attend me. As well as my colleagues, they will do the same. Thank you very much. Let's bond this connection until the end of the times.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.